Elementary Science Class 7. Transportation in Animals and Plants. Blood and blood vessels. Did you know that the fluid flowing through your body is called blood? It's an essential part of your circulatory system.
Wow, really? What does blood do?
Blood transports important substances like oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in your body. It also carries away waste products.
That's amazing. How does blood do that?
Blood is composed of a fluid called plasma, and different types of cells, including red blood cells and white blood cells.
What do the different cells do?
The red blood cells contain a pigment called hemoglobin, which helps transport oxygen to all the cells in your body. The white blood cells fight against germs that may enter your body.
Wow, that's really important. What about when you get a cut?
When you get a cut, the blood starts to flow out. But then, another type of cell called platelets helps form a clot to stop the bleeding.
That's so cool. How does the blood move around the body?
The blood moves through a network of blood vessels, including arteries that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body, and veins that carry carbon dioxide-rich blood back to the heart. Heart. Did you know that the heart is an organ that beats continuously to pump blood throughout our body?
Wow, really? I had no idea the heart works non-stop like that. How is that possible?
It's quite remarkable. The heart acts as a pump, circulating blood rich in oxygen and other substances to different parts of the body.
That's fascinating. Where exactly is the heart located in our body?
The heart is situated in the chest cavity, with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. It's roughly the size of your fist.
I see. And what's the purpose of the heart having 4 chambers?
The 4 chambers, called the atria and ventricles, help prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. This ensures efficient circulation.
That makes sense. How does the heart actually pump the blood through the body?
The walls of the heart's chambers are made of muscles that contract and relax rhythmically, creating a heartbeat. This pumping action circulates the blood.
Incredible. I can feel my own heartbeat now. Does that mean my pulse rate matches my heart rate?
Exactly. Each heartbeat generates a pulse in the arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the heart rate. Excretion in animals. Did you know that our cells produce waste products that need to be removed from the body?
No, I didn't know that. How does our body get rid of these waste products?
The process of removing these waste products is called excretion. The parts involved in excretion form the excretory system.
Wow, I didn't know we have an excretory system. How does it work?
The blood carries both useful and harmful substances. The kidneys filter the blood, and the waste dissolved in water is removed as urine.
I see. Where does the urine go after it's filtered out?
The urine goes from the kidneys to the urinary bladder through tube-like ureters, and is then passed out through the urethra.
Interesting. How much urine does an adult human normally pass in a day?
An adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liters of urine in 24 hours. The urine consists of 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste products.
Wow, that's a lot of waste being removed. Does our body have any other ways of getting rid of waste?
Yes, we also sweat, which helps cool our body. Sweat contains water and salts, and the evaporation of sweat helps regulate our body temperature. Transport of substances in plants. Do you know how plants transport water and nutrients from the soil to their leaves?
No, I'm not sure. How do they do that?
Plants have special vessels called xylem that act like pipes, transporting water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves.
Wow, that's really interesting. How does the water and minerals get from the roots to the leaves?
The roots have tiny root hairs that increase the surface area for absorbing water and minerals from the soil. The xylem vessels then carry these substances up the stem and into the leaves.
And what about the food that the leaves make? How does that get transported to the rest of the plant?
The leaves synthesize food through photosynthesis, and this food is transported to the rest of the plant by another set of vessels called phloem.